Ever wondered what those tiny red berries are that everyone's talking about? Yup, I'm talking about goji berries. These little superfoods have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Today, I'm breaking down exactly why you should add them to your daily routine. Let's start with the basics. Goji berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals. They're like nature's multivitamin. Just a handful a day can give your body a powerful boost. So, what can goji berries actually do for you? First up, they help boost your immunity. Thanks to their high vitamin C and antioxidant content, they support your immune system and help fight colds and flus. I like to toss a few dried goji berries into my morning smoothie, or sprinkle them over yogurt for that extra kick. But that's not all. Goji berries are also fantastic for your eyes. They're rich in zeaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that supports eye health, that can help protect against age-related vision loss. Imagine reading your favorite book or scrolling on your phone. Goji berries help keep your eyes sharp and focused. Looking for healthier skin? Goji berries promote glowing, youthful skin thanks to vitamin A and beta-carotene. I've noticed my skin looks fresher and more vibrant when I snack on goji berries regularly. And let's not forget about energy. These berries are a natural source of energy, perfect for busy days or before a workout. I love mixing them with nuts for a quick, energizing trail mix. So, how can you enjoy them? Add goji berries to your oatmeal, blend them into drinks, or brew a soothing goji berry tea. They're versatile, tasty, and super easy to include in your diet. Ready to give your body a boost? Discover the power of goji berries and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.